How to enable DLSS in supported games. If you want to improve FPS and get better performance in supported games, this video will show you how to enable NVIDIA DLSS. First, open the game where you want to enable DLSS. Now, go to the Settings or Options menu. Select Graphics or Video Settings. Look for the option called DLSS, NVIDIA DLSS, or Deep Learning Supersampling. Enable DLSS and choose the quality mode according to your preference, such as quality, balanced, or performance. After changing the settings, apply the changes and restart the game if required. Now, DLSS will use your NVIDIA RTX GPU's AI technology to improve performance and increase FPS while maintaining good image quality. To check if your game supports DLSS, type in your browser NVIDIA DLSS Games and click on the first website that pops up. Now press Ctrl+F and search your game that you want to enable DLSS. That's how you can enable DLSS in supported games and optimize your gaming performance.
If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.